for another great day of math. Today, we will figure out the unknown measure of a rectangle by first deciding if the information we have is that for the area or the perimeter. I just clapped. I was so excited for today. Let's look at our first problem. Tanisha is painting a mural that is the shape of a rectangle. The mural covers an area of 54 square feet. The base of the mural measures 9 feet. What is the height? Well, what information about the mural do we know? Take a look back at that problem. The area, yep, we have that. That's 54 feet. So we know in this problem, we're going to be looking at area. And the base is 9 feet. Awesome. Well, what is the problem asking of us? What are we trying to find? The height. Awesome. So based on what we have here and what we just talked about, we have the area of the shape as well as the base of the shape, and we need to find out the height. Let's start by using a visual. So here's my visual. I filled out what I know. So I know that my base is 9 feet, and I know that my rectangle has an area of 54 square feet. Now, do I know my height? I don't. So what we're going to do is we're going to put an n there because that's what we're trying to solve for. We're trying to figure that out. So now that we have our model represented here, we can write an equation to help us solve. Okay, we are solving for area. We've discussed that. So we're going to say area A equals what? That's right, base times height. That's our formula for area of a rectangle. Now let's fill in some of this information that we know from the problem. Do we know our area? That's right, we do, and it is 54 square feet. Do we know our base? We do, it's 9 square feet. Do we know our height? No, we don't, so we're gonna put that n in there. So now we need to think about what times 9 equals 54. Thoughts? Yeah, I can use some basic facts to help me. And I know that 9 times 6 equals 54. So the value of n, our unknown side, unknown height is 6 feet. All right, let's take a look back at our problem and see what our problem was asking us. What is the height? Do we know that? We do. And what is it again? That's right, it is 6 feet. Perfect. One way that we could check the reasonableness of our answer is to multiply the base and the height together, because we know if our area equals what we've solved for, then it's correct. So if we were to multiply 6 times 9 or 9 times 6, we get 54. So we know that our answer is reasonable.